Are you sure they're okay?
They'll be fine.
Okay. How do I make a torch in Roblox?
You want to make a torch in Roblox Studio?
Yeah.
You need to make a tool and put fire in it.
Okay.
Let's go. Here's a part. Make the part into a stick. How do I open the Explorer panel? Option X. Thank you. Option P. Take the part and put the part in a folder. Then put a tool in the folder. Rename the part to handle with a capital H. Put the handle inside the tool. Now you have a part you can pick up. Next step. Add fire to the handle. You can also add it up top, the model menu, under Effects.
Are we ready to test it out?
Go for it!
That's not cool.
You need to anchor your part and make it massless.
Okay.
Take your tool handle and make it massless. This means it won't be heavy when you pick it up.
Yippee! Woohoo! 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 I got a stick! I got a stick! Okay. Think about what you learned in Beetle Scouts. I didn't learn anything in Beetle Scouts. My mom always made me go to Beetle Scouts. Why do I have to be a Beetle Scout? I don't want to be a Beetle Scout. I don't want to be a Beetle Scout. Ah!
Now take your tool and turn it into a model. Call it Fire Stick 001. Turn it into a package.